So after we've taught the lesson for our year 1, so we jump into our core book, which is lesson 1B in the sequence of lessons for the week. So this book is called My Bird Book. We can see the focus graphemes up the top corner, and I will jump straight into it. So when we open up the book, on the inside cover, we've got our warm-up. So all of these words are decodable. The children will have learnt all of the phoneme-grapheme relationships to be able to successfully decode these words. Some of the books have got a special word or perhaps 2 down the bottom. We just need to make sure children are aware of these words, as there will be some element of the word that they haven't yet been taught through the sequence. So this book is called My Bird Book. Birds. Birds have feathers, 2 legs and a beak. And I'd always make sure to be pointing out the punctuation marks, such as commas and full stops, to students so that they know what we are expected to do when we reach those punctuation marks. Cool bird fact: birds do not have teeth. Do all birds fly? All birds have wings, but not all birds can fly. Birds that cannot fly. Taking a look at our penguin here. I know that's a bird that cannot fly, but I know something about it. It can swim. Bird eggs. Birds lay eggs. Some birds lay very small eggs. Some birds lay very big eggs. King quail egg and our ostrich egg. Quirky bird calls. Barking owls sound like barking dogs. Green catbirds sound like they are crying. Rainbirds call coo-ee when the rain is on the way. Birds by the sea. Little tern, silver gull. There are lots of birds by the sea. I like to spot birds when I am surfing. Birds in my yard. I have seen so many birds in my yard this week. A fig bird was perched in the big fig tree. 2 sunbirds were nesting in the ferns. A peewee was looking for bugs in the dirt. Ways to help birds. One way that we can help birds is to plant shrubs and trees that birds like. Another way is to turn an old tub into a bird bath. And a third idea is to make a bird box and hang it on a tree. I love birds. On the back page of the decodable readers, so inside that back cover there, we've got our book chat. So what this is a range of questions that are directly related to the text. So the first question that we've got here is, what are the main features of a bird? And it tells us next to it that it is on pages 2 to 4. So when your students are answering those questions, if they're having issues or can't recall the information, you can really easily flip back to those pages and find that information. On our back cover, it tells us that it is a year 1 decodable reader. It's a core book. We can also tell that by the colour of the spine. It tells you the book title, the focus graphemes, and of course we've got a little blurb as well.